It wasn't too long ago when a $50,000 plus truck was reserved for the foreman, the boss. But nowadays, you'll see $90,000 trucks like this Sierra AT4X in the driveways of blue-collar neighborhoods. And those that are off-road capable command some of the highest prices. But shoppers can't seem to get enough.
Truck fans are living in the best of times, with so many choices, both in terms of size and capability, and from an increasing number of manufacturers. The pantry has never been so stocked. So shopping for a new truck can be a bit overwhelming. Take GMC, for example. The Sierra's myriad configurations continue to grow, with the burgeoning off-road-oriented AT4 sub-brand and the recently added ultra-luxurious Denali Ultimate trim. And now there's this AT4X model, an amalgam of advanced capability and premium features. Now, taking it to the next level for the 2023 model year, GMC has partnered with the off-road and overland travel experts at AEV to upfit the AT4X with increased body protection. The AEV edition adds $6,895 worth of heavy-duty stamped steel full underbody skid plates, a steel winch-capable front bumper, a steel rear bumper with robust recovery hooks, rocker guards, black 18-inch wheels with recessed valves, 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory off-road all-terrain tires, and a healthy dose of AEV swag, both inside and out. The AEV treatment also improves the AT4X's off-road geometry and elevates ground clearance to 11.2 inches. Combined with top-shelf Multimatic shocks, front and rear locking differentials, and numerous off-road driving modes, this is a big, tall truck that can really get after it. It's also a very expensive truck. The AT4X is priced substantially more than the Denali, with a starting MSRP of $83,595. Add the AEV package, and the sticker climbs to $91,085.
Without actual running boards and a 2-inch lift, this is a big step up into the cab. But after that, it is all relaxation and comfort, with massaging seats and beautiful craftsmanship and material choices. It's a luxury truck that just also happens to have 33-inch tires, Multimatic shocks, and nearly a foot of ground clearance.
I'd recommend one of the 3 available off-road assist steps if you're, say, shorter than 6 feet. And for 2024, GMC is adding power retractable assist steps. The AT4X comes exclusively in the crew cab, short box body style, with the 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8. It produces a lively 460 pound-feet of torque, but despite utilizing dynamic fuel management and a 10-speed automatic transmission, this AT4X is rated at only 15 mpg in combined driving, and it wants premium fuel to do so. Now, that's 3 mpg better than a Ram TRX, but that's not saying much. GMC is offering up the 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel for the 2024 model year.
Whether it's on-road or off, the ride quality afforded by these very sophisticated shocks is exemplary. There's no head sway here, no jounce, just composure. And the big 6.2 provides that naturally aspirated throttle response that you want when off-roading. And when in the terrain setting, you get that one-pedal drive, which is perfect for that rocky trail work. So I love everything about this truck, with the exception of 2 things: the gas mileage and the price. Oh, and if you have an iPhone, say 13 or higher, this wireless charge pad here just doesn't work.
This is a truck that truly marries rugged with regal. It encases its occupants in Denali-level comforts while brandishing some serious go-anywhere hardware. Out here on the trail, with the surround vision camera activated, it's easy to pinpoint the placement of your tires and safely navigate the narrow environment. Combined with the off-road modes, including a setting with one-pedal drive for precise throttle inputs, the AT4X feels like it's cloaked in armor. It's exceptionally smart and capable. I also love that this Sierra can be driven in an auto 4-wheel drive mode for times of changing road conditions. Lavished with all of the goodies minus Super Cruise, which GM reserves for the Denali trims, this is a Sierra with massaging seats, a 12-speaker Bose Premium Series stereo, the clever multi-pro tailgate with a somewhat cheesy-sounding Bluetooth kicker sound system, and first-class rear seating with heating and clever storage cubbies. If you can afford the fuel, have a big enough garage, and are comfortable with your parking abilities, the AT4X is actually a stellar multi-purpose family, fun, and work vehicle. Towing is maxed at 8,900 pounds. In volcanic red with the AEV treatment, this is a great-looking truck. These rigs are getting crazy expensive, yet it seems as though the ceiling still hasn't been reached. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.